So, hi guys, how to fix Instagram messages. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with messages. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps like this. Now wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it. Click here on storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on data usage. And now here make sure that this Wi-Fi and mobile data are enabled because they are very important. And then go back to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have having problem in your network, so try to change the network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.